Tired of 4-second AI video clips that go nowhere? Watch how I turn this short shot into a long, seamless scene with one click. Most AI video tools give you these beautiful but frustratingly short clips. You can't build a real story with just 4 seconds. But in EdgeCut AI, there's the Extend feature. It intelligently analyzes the last frames of any clip and generates a perfect continuation. Let's take this 4-second clip of a drone flying over a city. It's cool, but it ends abruptly. I just select the clip and hit Extend. EdgeCut processes the motion and the scene context, and now we have an 8-second shot. Notice how the camera movement is perfectly smooth. The lighting is consistent. It's seamless. You can keep extending to build out entire sequences, turning tiny moments into a full narrative. Turn your short clips into full stories. Try EdgeCut AI. Link in description.